now that you have seen how to configure a segment, we will see how we can configure a journey now. But before configuring a journey, it's very important to consider a few steps. I'll open this Word document and explain you what I'm saying. So for a journey, you would either need email templates or SMS templates. And for email templates and for SMS templates, you would need to configure the compliance profile, which is basically the consent center. So in this video, I will be talking about the compliance profile, which is very important. So let's go back to Customer Insights Journeys, scroll down and change the area from real-time journeys to settings. Here you will see compliance profile under customer engagement. You can click this and it will open the compliance profile. Out of the box, it comes with a default compliance profile. For training purpose, I have renamed it as Meadow Hill Compliance Profile because this is Meadow Hill Council instance. So what basically is compliance profile? So you'll set a name and then you will have a consent link type, that if it's a preference center or any other center, and company address. If you are based in Australia, New Zealand, you can populate your company address here, or if you are overseas, you can just input your company address here. The default preference center would be set up like this. This is basically the preference center that we will set up in the future. You might have seen the unsubscribe link at the bottom of the email. So this is that link. And you can also configure quiet time settings. So if you don't want to send out emails, say from 5 p.m. to 8 a.m. in the morning, or you don't want to send out emails during weekends or Christmas period or New Year holidays or Thanksgiving, so you can set that time here. Okay, so we will have a look in the meantime. The next tab is the consent purpose. Out of the box, Dynamics 365 comes with two purposes. First is the commercial and second is the transactional. The major difference between these two purposes are: commercial is used for marketing or commercial activities, as the name suggests. Transactional is a must-have purpose. For example, if you are sending your customers invoices, payment request, password reset request, those kind of emails or correspondence would be transactional. If you are sending your customers newsletters or garbage bin collection days, that would be commercial nature. So you would set that under commercial. If I open commercial here, we will see the purpose type is commercial communication. That is, this purpose will be used solely for marketing purpose. And the email enforcement model is set as non-restrictive. This comes out of the box. So there is a difference between non-restrictive and restrictive, and Microsoft provides this definition at the bottom here. So restrictive enforcement model is something where customers, they have to opt in, while in non-restrictive model, unless they explicitly opt out, customers will receive messages. Okay, what does it mean? Let me explain you. Just remember this: email enforcement model for commercial purpose is non-restrictive, which means all of your customers would receive this email if they are part of a journey. I'll go back to real-time journey from here by changing this area to real-time journeys. I'll open this email, and currently there is no email set up. So let's create a new email and I will show you how to set up the purpose here. For demo purpose, let's pick one of these templates. Right. So on the right hand side, you would see this settings button here. If you click this, there will be a setting for compliance, right? So currently it's saying there's no name. So let's have a look and select Meadow Hill Compliance Profile, and it has automatically picked up the commercial purpose. Let me save this email. So the point here I'm trying to explain is that if your customer is a part of a segment where they receive this email, it would be of commercial nature, and unless they explicitly opt out, they would keep on receiving this email. And how they can opt out. So if you scroll down this email, there will be an unsubscribe button here that we will configure when we start configuring the emails. This unsubscribe link is very important, and this is the same preference link that we saw in the compliance profile. Let's go back to our compliance profile. I'll open the compliance profile, Meadow Hill, and I'll go back to my consent purposes. I'll open the commercial purpose. And if I scroll down, let's see, I want to add a topic. Christmas bin collection. So for example, every year we send out communication for Christmas bin collection. So that's why let's create a topic under commercial. By default, everyone who is part of a journey would receive this correspondence unless they opt out. I'll save and close. I'll go back to the Compliance Profile General tab. And this is the Preference Center, which is basically the unsubscribe link. So we can edit this Preference Center as well by clicking this Edit button. Continue. And I can include my topic as well. Let's add it here. I can move it there. And here I can include the Christmas topic. Right? I agree to receive Christmas bin collection correspondence. And I will save this. So this is what the compliance profile is and how the consents are set.